So we are done with our course and Microsoft Ads course, but before you go, there is something new that is just getting started. So it is the Learning Lab, and so if you would like to invest more time into learning Microsoft Ads. They have very good learning paths for search advertising learning path. So it is a comprehensive way of learning how to run the search advertising. And also we have display native video advertising learning path. We also have retail advertising learning path. And also we have retail media learning path and digital advertising fundamentals. This is for general. And we also have programmatic advertising learning path. And we also have generative AI and automation advertising learning path. And also the certification. So when you finish learning those learning path courses, you can come here and you can, so let us say that you finish the learning path for a search advertising certification. You can uh, test your knowledge and earn a badge. And also they have a commerce badge, and they also have Microsoft advertising certified expert. So you have to earn all four of the certificates. So search, display, retail, and retail for the certification. And then you will get the expert certified. You will be a certified expert. Now you learn a technical steps with me, but there are some explanatory or explanations to different things. You have to come to here and learn by yourself and at your own pace. There is no rush. And if you are interested in becoming a certified advertiser and just boost your CV and boost your knowledge.